Here are some air conditioners. This is a carrier queue at an office complex. That's cold and sweaty. This one is also running. Cold and sweaty. Alright, let's go to the back of the building now. This one. There was someone in that window, so I'm not gonna poke around back to those ICP units, but let's just see what there is. There's an Amana right there. I fell down the hill the first time, so I hope I don't do it again. Another one. Cold and sweaty. I'm gonna go to the bottom of this hill because I'm not gonna risk falling again. There's a Goodman way back there with a rotary compressor. Here's another carrier cube that's not running. It's been running. And another carrier cube not running. I'm pretty sure they're called a 38 YCC something. I don't know off the top of my head. Oh, there's a Trane choice. Not been running. And then the last couple over here. There's another carrier and a Goodman. Oh, it's a newer Goodman. Cold and sweaty. Goodman. It's been running. And here are the last couple on the back of the bill. Oh, that one's frozen up. This one's not been running. This is frozen. Air's still coming out warm, but this thing is frozen. That is really frozen. Solid ice. Let's see the ones back at the front of the buildings. Here's another Trane choice that's running. Well, that's cold and sweaty, I can already tell. It's a safe install job. And another carrier. That's not really cold, but it's still sweaty. Let's go look at these ones. One of them's running. I can't tell if both of them are running. No, just one of them. Cold and sweaty. Data sheet's worn off. This one's been running. Then the last couple. One of them's running. I think it's the one down there. Yep. Well, this one's got a new fan motor. That's been running. This one also has a new fan motor, which is, it's cold and sweaty. Let's go take a look at the ICP units while I have time. I know that spot's risky, but I'm gonna take chances. Alright. This is risky. Both of them are running. Yeah, it's risky back here. There's people in the window, so I'm not gonna film them. I wanna go back to the one that's... Actually, I'm gonna go in. I'll go back to the one that's frozen after my appointment, maybe. But thanks for watching and peace.